In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pricing plans on your Wix website. Whether you're a small business owner or someone just starting out, adding clear and concise pricing information can be an effective way to communicate value to your clients. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you want to head over to the Wix website. Once you're logged in, find the website you want to work on and open it. With Wix, all your websites are conveniently stored in your account dashboard, making them easily accessible. Now that you've got your website open, look towards the top of the editor and find the Menu and Page option. This section allows you to control all the pages on your site, from adding new ones to modifying existing ones. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, showing all the pages that are currently part of your website. You'll want to add a new page for your pricing plan, so go ahead and click on Add Pages. Navigating through this interface is fairly intuitive, and Wix walks you through each step to ensure you know how to create and customize your pages. In the pop-up that appears, select Pricing Plan. Wix offers several pre-designed templates for pricing plans, which can save you a lot of time if you're not keen on designing from scratch. Choose the template that best suits the look and feel of your website. Each template option is tailored for different website styles and business needs, so consider what layout best showcases your offerings. Once you've selected your template, give it a moment to load. The information and structure for pricing will automatically be inserted onto your site's new page. At this point, you might want to take a moment to preview the page and see how the initial design looks with your website's overall theme. Now, you'll notice the pricing plan is part of your site's page list. To edit and personalize the information further, click on the Manage button. This section is your hub for configuring the pricing plan according to your business needs. Inside the Manage section, click on Create Plan. Here's where the magic happens. Enter the plan name, tagline, and any other details you wish to include. Think carefully about what you name your plans, as clear and descriptive names offer potential customers a better understanding of what they'll get. Taglines can be used to emphasize what makes each plan special, so don't hold back on creativity. And that's it. You've successfully added a pricing page to your Wix website. Feel free to revisit and make adjustments as your business evolves. Adding a pricing plan is an excellent way to bring clarity to your offerings and help clients make informed decisions. So go ahead, give your new page a final look, and once you're satisfied, publish your site to make it live. Thank you for following along, and happy editing.